大家好. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mandarin the easy way. Today we will be discussing Shengdiao. Shengdiao or tones. Now what are Shengdiao? Let's take a look at this. We already know that we have what we call pinyin or the phonetics for us to know how to read or recite the Chinese characters or what we call hanzi. These symbols right here above the pinyin are what we call shengdiao. If you are new to the channel and you're still unfamiliar with pinyin or the Chinese phonetics, don't worry because I have a separate video already posted for you to watch. Now, the English language does not have a shengdiao. Instead, English has what we call stress. Let's have the word photo as an example. The stress here is in the first syllable. That's why we read it as photo. We do not recite this as photo, right? And for this word, the stress is no longer in the first syllable. Rather, it's in the second syllable, which sounds photography. We do not say photography or photography. So the Chinese language's shengdiao or tones are just as important, especially if you want to sound fluent. Now, there are four major tones in Chinese Mandarin. Let's use pinyin ma as our example. Let's go with the first tone or di yi sheng. Di yi sheng. It sounds like ma, ma. Now, di yi sheng has a higher pitch compared to the rest of our tones. Let's listen to it one more time. Ma, ma. Let's proceed with the second tone or di er sheng. It sounds ma, ma. I like the term di er sheng as the asking tone because it sounds very much similar to when we're saying the words what, huh, where, who, ma, ma. I hope you got it. Let's proceed with di san sheng or the third tone. This one sounds very similar with our di er sheng. Ma, ma. Before we proceed, let's have a quick look once again on the difference of the second and third tone. Second tone, ma, ma. Third tone, ma, ma. And last, we have di se sheng, di se sheng, or the fourth tone. Now, I like to term di se sheng as the angry tone. Let's listen to what I mean. Ma, ma. Now you might be wondering, is it this important to master all four tones of Chinese Mandarin? Well, let me tell you, the answer is yes. Because if you mispronounce a Chinese word with an incorrect tone, it could lead to an incorrect meaning, which could lead, of course, to miscommunication, and we don't want that. For example, ma in the first tone, ma means mother, and ma in the second tone, ma means numb. And ma in the third tone, ma, ma means horse. And ma in the fourth tone, ma, ma means to curse or to scold. So as you see, they all have the same pinyin ma, but because they have different tones, they all have different meanings. But don't worry, alright? Shengdiao might seem very complicated and challenging at the beginning, but as long as you keep practicing, you'll surely get the hang of it. Alright, let's proceed. Now, aside from the four major tones in Chinese Mandarin, we actually have one minor tone, qing sheng, or what we call the neutral tone, or my personal term, toneless tone. So using the pinyin ma earlier, it just sounds like ma, ma. It's not ma, it's not ma, it's not ma, it's not ma. It's just simply ma. Alright? Now this one, don't think too much about this one, alright? Okay, so what's a class without some lianxi or some practice? We have here different sets of pinyin, all of which have the four major tones above them. And you tell me, which tone am I reciting? Is it the first tone, the second tone, third tone, or the fourth tone? Let's get started. Bie, bie. That's right, it's the fourth tone. Bie. Number 2. Feng, feng. The correct answer is the first tone. Feng. Number 3. Hey, hey. That's right, it's the second tone. Hey. On to the last one. Xiao, xiao. The correct answer is the third tone. Xiao. Alright, so out of the 4 items that we have here, how many points did you get? I sure hope you got 4 out of 4. And that's it for today's lesson. For more videos, like and subscribe. Till the next lesson, 再见.